Gather round. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that's as cozy as it sounds. Gather round. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Gather round is an invitation to come closer together in a group, usually in a circle. It's a way to ask people to pay attention to something interesting or important that's about to happen or be shared. Imagine friends sitting around a campfire or a family about to hear a story. This phrase has a nostalgic feel, harking back to times before technology, where people would physically come together to share news, stories, or warmth. It evokes a sense of community and togetherness. You can use gather round in casual settings. It's perfect for social gatherings, family meetings, or when you want to show or tell something to a group. It's not typically used in formal contexts. Let's see it in action. Kids, gather round. I have a story to tell. Everyone, please gather round the table for dinner. And that's a wrap on Gather Round. I hope this video helps you feel more confident using this phrase in English. Remember, it's all about bringing people together. Until next time, keep learning and gather round for more English tips.